online widgets in the myViewBoard whiteboard software are located in the magic box in your main toolbar. If you go ahead and tap it once, it's going to go ahead and open you up into the magic box. And from there, you're going to want to look at the first row of icons and almost in the middle to where the blue cloud is with an arrow pointing down. Now, if you tap it once, it's going to introduce you into your online widgets. From there, I'm going to go ahead and click Education. And for an example, I'm going to go ahead and double click on Animals. As you can see, there's a ton of different varieties that you can choose from. Once you've gone ahead and decided which ones you might use, go ahead and hit the X in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and insert some animals into this little farm that I've got going on right now. I'm going to go to Animals, click on the rooster, and as you can see, it went ahead and placed this widget directly onto my canvas. I now can make it a little bit bigger if I want to. I can also make it so it eats, which is one little fun thing that you can do with these widgets, along with make it jump. These are a great resource if you want to continue to expand some animated things in your myViewBoard canvas.